1970 Chevrolet Nova, dressed up as an SS car. We believe that this could be an SS car, or we do believe that it might not be an SS car. And I'll point out some of the indications. But as we progress further, guys, this is a beautiful frame-off restored 1970 Chevrolet Nova. The paint on the car is super nice. Brand new vinyl top, new chrome trim, lights, Magnum SS wheels, the Viper tires, SS hood, the glass, the trim, tinted windows, door handles, rear chrome bumpers, tail lights. The trunk has been restored. Dual exhaust has been redone. Underneath is gorgeous, and it's just beautiful all around the car. This is something you'll be very proud of, taking to any car show anywhere in the country, guys. Chrome bumpers are brand new. The grille is nice. I mean, just a super nice car. Let's check out what's underneath the hood real quick. This is a gorgeous engine compartment. As you can see, the core support is in excellent condition, upgraded with every nut and bolt, upgraded aluminum radiator, 350, rebuilt headers, polished intake, 4-barrel Holley carburetor tuned to perfection, power steering, okay, and power disc brakes, wiper motors all there. Look at the firewall, how crisp and clean everything is. Look at this. Every little nook and cranny on this car has been redone. Look at that cowl area there on the inside. Again, beautiful all around. Very reliable. Look at all the trim. Look at these door lips. Whoever did this car, hats off to them. Brand new interior with the new door panels, new bucket seats, console. How rare do you see this console, this Nova Super Sport console? You don't see it that often, guys. Look at this. That's paying attention to detail. Excellent back seats, package tray, headliner. Look at this. You got the RPM tach there, which came in SS models only. Super clean cluster, crystal clean. New dash pad. New radio. Controls. All around. Look at this trunk area. Restored as well. Brand new in here. Isn't that something? Love this car. Let's go for a test drive. Well, let's start it up first. MGM Classic Cars. For a nice little ride here, guys. So the wipers do function. Horn is not working. I will make sure that I get that fixed. We do have a full service department here at MGM. We'll make sure that everything functions like it should. All right. So the center console here is a little bit loose. Make sure that gets tightened. RPM tag functions. Brakes feel good. All right. A lot of traffic out today. Yeah, that's the center console. This thing is smooth going down the road, guys. Steering is tight. Oh, this is a really nice car. Whoever put this together did a nice job. Clutch feels good. So if you're looking for financing and if your credit score is between 620 and 745, you will need $4,200 to $4,300 down to qualify. Obviously, it's all based off your credit profile. Rates start at about 7%. This thing does move. Pump gas in this thing too, guys. Wow. This is the first time me driving this car, man. That's badass. So yeah, 10% down, about $4,300. Rates start at about 7%. Go to mgmclassiccars.com for the application on the upper right-hand corner on the finance tab. Man, I hope I don't get pulled over. All right, if your credit score is over 775, guys, go to lightstream.com. No money down option available there. Again, rates do start at about 7%. A lot of thumbs up on this car, guys. Yeah, I gotta fix the center console. It's a little loose here. That's not a problem. We'll take care of that. All right. Downshifting feels pretty good too. For delivery, call or text me at 847-848-1850, guys. Man, the whole front end comes up on this car. Oh, this is badass. This is fun. This is fun. There you go, guys. Call or text. You got my number. Sorry, trying to get the second gear. Yeah, call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.